This is how you replace, change, or rotate the blades on a Sun Joe electric wood chipper shredder. Turn it off, unplug it, and unscrew the hopper locking knob. Use the tip of a nail or screw to thoroughly remove any debris from the bolts, so you don't strip them out later, and clean the area with a wire brush. The manual says to insert a screwdriver and use the provided hex key to remove the bolts, but if you haven't removed them in a while, they won't budge. So get an impact wrench and a T40 bit, be sure the bit is firmly seated in the bolt, and then let the impact wrench do its thing. Use a wire brush to clean the bolt threads and give them a generous coat of petroleum jelly.
Oh yeah.
Replace the blades, sharp edge tapering downward, and get the bolt started. If you're reusing a blade, since they are two-sided, just rotate it 180 degrees. The dirty side stays up. Don't flip it over. Now insert a screwdriver between the cutting head and body and tighten the bolts with the supplied hex key. Rinse and repeat with the other blade, close the hopper, tighten the locking knob, plug the tool back in, flip on the power switch, and get back to shredding. Did you hit that subscribe button? Turn on the notifications bell? Of course you have, because you know that I try not to leave my subscribers hanging. If I've reviewed a product and subsequently had an issue with it, you know I'll try to post a follow-up with some solutions or at least give you some troubleshooting tips. Alright, until next time.